Welcome to English Language Club. This is Jagannath Raju, your English faculty. Today we are going to discuss correction of sentences. Already in the previous two videos, we practiced correction of sentence exercise. Given below a list of sentences for correction. Error correction requires a special skill as it involves a number of factors. Mainly there are three factors. One is spotting and identification of the error, and second one identification of type of error, and third one correction the error. This exercise is to create awareness in you with regard to the typical mistakes committed in English by foreign learners of the language. So in this exercise we will learn some corrections. Chitra is senior than Aloka by 3 years. Actually, senior, junior, major, minor, prior, these words are Greek words. Actually, Greek words requires only to don't write then after the Greek words senior, junior, major, minor. These words does not require then. These words require only TO2 preposition. So the right answer is we have to write Chitra is senior to Aloka by 3 years. This is the right answer. Chitra is junior to Aloka by 3 years. Major, minor, junior, senior, prior. These are Greek words. Greek words are followed by 2. Okay. Next one. The man rushed to the station, but the train left. The man rushed to the station, the train left. Here, two actions happened. Two actions happened. One action is the man rushed to the station. This one is one action. And another one action is the train left the station. So which action happened first? Or which action happened earlier? The earlier action is left the train left is earlier action. Train left is earlier action. And rush to the station is later action. So earlier action must be expressed in past perfect. It is very important. First action or earlier action must be expressed in past perfect. Later action expressed in simple past tense. మొదట జరిగిన పనిని పాస్ట్ పర్ఫెక్ట్లో రాయాలి, వెనకాల జరిగిన పనిని సింపుల్ పాస్ట్లో రాయాలి. అంటే ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ ఏం రాస్తాము? దీన్ని పాస్ట్ పర్ఫెక్ట్లోకి మార్చాలంటే ద ట్రైన్ హ్యాడ్ లెఫ్ట్ ఈజ్ ద రైట్ ఆన్సర్. ద మ్యాన్ రష్డ్ టు ద స్టేషన్ బట్ ద ట్రైన్ హ్యాడ్ లెఫ్ట్. దిస్ ఈజ్ ద రైట్ ఆన్సర్. దిస్ ఈజ్ ద రైట్ ఆన్సర్. And next one, third one. My uncle is having 2 children. Actually, the possessive case. Actually, I have 2 children. I have 2 kids. I have a son. I have a daughter. I have a car. I have a bicycle. These are the ownership or possessive. The possessive case does not consist of inform. Does not consist of inform. We actually write the only root word. So that's why the right answer is has. My uncle is singular, that's why I write has. My uncle has 2 children. That is the right answer. My uncle has 2 children. My mother has a necklace. My wife has a ornaments. Actually, these are the possessive or ownership. So in our possessive condition, we have to write only as. కలిగి ఉన్నాము అని చెప్పేటప్పుడు హ్యాస్ కానీ హ్యావ్ కానీ రాయాలి, వాటి పక్కన ఇన్ఫామ్ అనేది పెట్టకూడదు. ఇది దీని యొక్క రూల్. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ అండ్ ఫోర్త్ వన్. హీ రిటర్న్డ్ బ్యాక్ ఫ్రమ్ ఢిల్లీ. హీ రిటర్న్డ్ బ్యాక్ ఫ్రమ్ ఢిల్లీ. రిటర్న్ మీన్స్ కేమ్ బ్యాక్. సో ఆల్రెడీ ద వర్డ్ బ్యాక్ ఆర్ in the return. Then why should write again? The word back. So that's what the right answer is. He came back from Delhi is right answer. He returned from Delhi, right answer. But don't write a return back because the word return consists of back. So that's why return means came back. So that's why write he returned from Delhi is the right answer. He came back from Delhi is the right answer. My friend gave to me the book. Actually, my friend is a subject. Gave is verb second form. So this word, the verb give or gave or given, whatever may be. does not require two preposition between the verb give and the object me. ఓకే, నో నీడ్ ఆఫ్ రైట్ టూ ప్రిపోజిషన్. గివ్ అనే వెర్బ్కి మీ అనే ఆబ్జెక్ట్కి మధ్యలో టూ అనే ప్రిపోజిషన్ రాదు. ద ప్రిపోజిషన్ టు డస్ నాట్ కమ్ బిట్వీన్ ద వెర్బ్ గివ్ అండ్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్, పర్సనల్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్. ఓకే, సో ద రైట్ ఆన్సర్ ఈజ్ మై ఫ్రెండ్ గివ్ మీ ద బుక్ ఇస్ ద రైట్ ఆన్సర్. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ వన్. ద గ్రూప్ ఆఫ్ I have a small mistake. The group of robbers divided the money between themselves. Group of robbers means more than two. Group of robbers means whenever something is divided more than two, we have to write among. Anything is divided between more than two persons or animals or things, whatever may be, we have to write among in the place of between. This is the right one. And next one, this one is very important. Many students are did a mistake in this wish. Tell me when will you come. Actually the sentence starts with verb. Sentence verb తో స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది కనుక చివరిలో మనం full stop పెడతాము. whenever sentence starts with the verb, the end of the sentence we put full stop. Okay, right, very good. So here is a question word. After the question word, what will give? Helping verb is given. Generally whenever sentences start with a question word, we write helping verb. When will you come? This kind of structure we put question mark. Why? Because the question word immediately followed by the helping verb, and then we write later subject. This is the structure of the question or interrogative sentence. Question word plus helping verb plus subject, put question mark. But here the sentence starts with a helping verb. This is imperative sentence. So that's why whenever sentence is in the imperative sentence or the sentence in the statement or declarative, at that time the question word is given in the middle of the sentence. We don't write will here, we write here a subject. So the right structure is tell me when you will come. ఎప్పుడైనా సరే సెంటెన్స్లో స్టార్టింగ్లో క్వశ్చన్ వర్డ్ వస్తే క్వశ్చన్ వర్డ్ పక్కన హెల్పింగ్ వర్బ్ పెడతాము. అలా కాకుండా సెంటెన్స్ మధ్యలో వచ్చినప్పుడు క్వశ్చన్ వర్డ్ పక్కన సబ్జెక్ట్ రాసి తర్వాత హెల్పింగ్ వర్బ్ రాయాలి. ఇది గ్రామటికల్ రూల్. సో దట్స్ ద రైట్ ఆన్సర్ ఈజ్ tell me when you will come. Next one. So he has seen the film yesterday. Here the adverb of time is given. Last night, yesterday, previous night, 10 years ago, long ago. So these kind of adverb of times indicates simple past tense. These words indicate simple past tense. Adverb of time, last year, yesterday, previous night, 2 days ago. These kind of words given only in the simple past tense. But here given perfect tense. Here given the structure perfect tense. Why? Because has, have used in the perfect tense, see in verb third form. That's why the sentence is in the present perfect tense. So we change the sentence into simple past tense. That's why write saw. He saw the film yesterday is the right answer. Because in the simple past tense we write only verb second form. So he saw the film yesterday is the right answer. I and Sunil went to the market. I is the first person. Sunil is the third person. So actually what is the order? Third person comes first. So that's why the right answer is Sunil and I went to the market. This is the right answer. We always write the third person first and next we write the first person. So Sunil and I went to the market. First third person mundu rayali, first person ne venakala. As Veena was hungry, so she ate an apple. Yesterday I explained as is the conjunction, so is the conjunction. As is the conjunction, so is the conjunction. How many conjunctions are there? 1, and 2. Two conjunctions are not written in a single sentence. It is a grammatical mistake. We actually choose only one conjunction, whatever may be. So we avoid the second conjunction. As Vena was angry, comma, she ate an apple. Or Vena was angry, so she had an apple. Two answers are right, but we must remember that only we use one conjunction only. Don't write two conjunctions in a single sentence. Okay. Thank you one and all.